Hey, Fast Bundle family. It's Santa here, and as we wrap up another amazing year, we just want to take a moment to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. In today's video, we're diving into one of Fast Bundle's best features that will help you boost your average order value this holiday season. At the end of this video, we have a gift for you, so stay tuned. Before we jump in, remember, we're more than just a bundle tool. We're here to be your partner in growth. Our team is available 24/7, ready to help you with any questions or support you might need, no matter the time of year. All right, let's get started. Imagine you're on the hunt for the perfect Christmas gift box to surprise your loved ones. You browse through some offers, but most of them have stuff you're not really into. It's kind of annoying, right? But what if you could pick exactly what you want and even save some money while you're at it? That's where one of our favorite features comes in. Collection, Mix and Match. It's a game changer and one of the most popular features in the Fast Bundle app. Here's how it works. Simply click on Create New Bundles, then choose Mix and Match Cart and select the Sectioned List option. From there, you can create different sections, pick the products or collections you want for each one, name them, and upload a picture. The best part? You can set different rules for each section, like exact, minimum, or range quantities, and apply discounts like percentages, fixed amounts, or even free shipping. Once you save it, you're all set, and you'll see your AOV start to grow. For example, I set up a bundle where customers could add 2 items from the face section, at least 1 item from the lip section, and 2 to 3 items from the eye section with 50% off. Simple, right? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. As a little thank you for being such an awesome part of our community, we're offering a free plan to help you get started with creating bundles today. No strings attached. Just our way of saying thanks. Enjoy the holiday season, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Catch you later, Fast Bundle fam.